A woman, when she is in travail, hath sorrow, because her hour is come. But as soon as she is delivered of the child, she remembereth no more the anguish, for joy that a man is born into the world. The words of the old hymn are crisp and so clear. They tell us that troublesome times are now here. The conflict of the ages is almost complete, and then we will hear the words of the angels so sweet. Behold, he comes in the clouds of glory. Behold, he comes to finish the story. Heads hang low in dark despair. Days are filled with worry and fear, but a message of hope beckons us home for the joy that has come, for the joy that has come. Everywhere you turn, the news is so bleak, and it's growing worse week by week. But the headlines of the day do not compare to the good news that we all now hear. The tidings of peace echo it every day. Jesus the King is coming. He's on the way. Heads hang low in dark despair. Days are filled with worry and fear, but a message of hope beckons us home for the joy that has come, for the joy that has come.
Please click on the link in the description to tune in and to follow this most important podcast series, Restore the Joy. Based on Psalms 51:12, we will be taking a journey of restoration, hope, and healing. If you enjoyed the song you just heard, it is available to download in the description area of the podcast series. Once again, please click on the link to follow our new podcast series, Restore the Joy.